In this video, I'm going to teach you how to revert Elementor changes. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com and you have two options. You can either create an account by clicking onto this Get Started or log in into one by clicking onto this Login option. Since I already have an account on my Elementor, let me head over and log in from that. Now we will use WordPress in order to host Elementor, so just do the same thing based on this. Now here is my Elementor website. So for example, you can make changes to your site, like for example, deleting certain blocks, changing its attributes and the likes. You can do so by clicking on those blocks and then deleting it on your own. You can select some more options and delete particular containers if you would want. So for example, on this one, let's delete it. Now, for example, you haven't saved it yet. What you can do is you can just revert your changes by clicking onto the Control Z onto your actual keyboard. Doing that will revert the changes, and we should now head over and see in here the changes that we have made or deleted earlier. Now, for example, you've already published your site and you want to actually head back to a specific version. What to do in that case? In order to actually edit those, what we can do is we can actually open the history panel, which is this case. We have in here the Elementor logo as well as other options. And here, click on the history, and you can see some history or actions that we have made. Just choosing here the actual history that you want. You can also head over to revisions option. We have in here a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and the likes. Just choose which one you want to actually restore. Head over and click on it, and then head over and restore this if you would want, and then this will revert to the actual selected version. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.